Alright, so here's my stir-fry pork with green chili.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today I'm going to make something special for myself because I'm quite sure my family won't like this dish because I'm going to use a lot of chili. It is basically stir-fry pork with green chilies. Yeah. First of all, you need to slice out some pork. Later we will actually marinate it. Then we will cut out some few pieces of green chili. I added one red chili just for the color. And I choose today to cut it into chunks like this. After that, I'm a little bit regretted. I think it's easier to cut it into thin slices, which is easier for stir frying. So probably you want to cut it into thin slices instead of chunks like this. So let's quickly marinate this pork. I'm going to give it a little bit of salt, a bit of light soy sauce, some Shaoxing wine. Right, after that, we will mix everything up. And while you are mixing, you will notice that Shaoxing wine will be absorbed fully, yeah, by the pork itself. So this method is also called 打水. You are basically literally beating water into the meat itself, which will help to make your pork slices more tender, yeah. I have approximately less than 100 grams here. I'm not cooking a lot. I will add in some cornstarch. You can also add, at this step, you can also add in some egg white. That will also help to make it more tender. So after adding the cornstarch, one more thing, I will give it a little bit of oil. Now by adding oil at the marination process, later when we stir fry, it will be easier to stir fry. You can add a bit of pepper also right now. It will also help to remove the gaminess of the meat. So first thing first, we are going to dry roast the chili. Dry roast meaning you don't have to put in any oil. Just add in the chili, then raise the heat. We are going to dry roast it for about 1 minute or 1 to 2 minutes. Yeah. If you are cutting it into thin slices, you probably only need like 30 seconds. Just to, this step will actually help to remove the water from the chili itself. Whatever left, it will be the chili aroma. So keep on sauteing this for a minute or two, then we should set it aside. Now one thing you can add during this particular process is a little bit of salt. By adding salt, it will actually help to force out the water even easier. Alright, this is after about 2 minutes sauteing. I can really smell the chili aroma right now. Alright, next thing, put in a little bit of oil. We're going to saute some garlic, minced garlic, and also salted black bean. Now, salted black bean is really optional here, but I like the flavor, so I'm adding it in. And I actually crushed the salted black bean so that the flavor can release easier. Immediately I can smell the flavor from the garlic and salted black bean together. You can then add in the marinated pork. I'm going to give it a little bit of light soy sauce here, a little bit only, yeah, because just now I already added light soy sauce in the meat, and some oyster sauce, a little bit of Shaoxing wine, a bit of dark soy sauce for the color. Right. I don't mind giving a little bit of water here. Sometimes you do need water to bring everything together in your dish. Now I can add in the chili, the dry roasted chili. I prefer the color a little bit darker, so I am going to add in a little bit more dark soy sauce here. Alright. Careful not to add in too much dark soy sauce because it can make your dish become bitter. Okay, now it's the color I wanted. I already added the salt in the pork as well as the chili, so I'm not going to add any salt anymore. But I don't mind to add a little bit of sugar. Yeah, a bit of sugar here to balance up. Right, it's basically done. Once the pork is fully cooked, it is ready. Look at how beautiful it is. Done. Alright, so here's my stir-fry pork with green chili. It's actually a very popular dish in China. Now, if you like my video, do share my video on the Facebook to friends. Come Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. For those who can't even take big chilies like this, you can use bell pepper. Then it's totally not spicy at all. Home cooking, you decide what you want to put inside. Bye bye.